Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to defog the headlights on your car. Mine are pretty foggy, so this is a cool little method that I totally just came up with.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here.
I actually watched a Chris Fix video on how to do this, and these are all the materials he recommends. So we've got 400 grit, 800, and 2000 grit sandpaper, as well as some spray clear coat and some 70% isopropyl alcohol, and then some tape to tape off around the headlights while we're actually sanding and working on the headlights. Alright, we're gonna pop the hood here, and then we can get to taping things off, because I would hate to mess up my perfect, beautiful paint on this car. You can see right here where it's actually not even foggy at all. So the goal is to get the whole thing looking like that. It'll be beautiful by the end of this video. All right, so the first step is to use the 400 grit sandpaper, and we're just gonna go around circular motion over the headlights, and we're gonna spray it with water the whole time while we're doing that to keep it all wet, just so we don't get any super deep scratches. Now that we've done a good bit of sanding with the 400, we're gonna move on to the 800 grit. And you can press a little bit harder with the 800 grit because it's a bit finer, so it won't scratch as deep. While you're sanding over the headlight, if all the water coming off looks a little milky, that's how you know you're doing it right, because that's all that stuff just coming off as you sand it over. Yeah. All right, we're only about halfway done with this. We've still got to go to the 2000 grit sandpaper, but already look at the difference between this one and the passenger light. It looks so much better already. Now that we're done with the 800 grit, we can move on to the 2000 grit. And we're gonna keep on spraying it. After you're done with the 2000 grit sandpaper, you can take that isopropyl alcohol and just rub over the headlight, and that'll get rid of a bit of the haze. All right, next up, we're gonna re-tape around the headlight. And after that, we're gonna take a trash bag and cover up the whole area around the headlights. So when we spray on that clear coat, then we don't get it on all of the paint.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Beautiful. All right, now we got her pulled outside so we can spray on the clear coat. We're just cleaning it up one more time with the isopropyl alcohol, and then we're gonna do 3 coats of the clear coat. Nice and light coats, just spraying it on pretty lightly, and then wait about 5 minutes, and then we'll do another coat, and then the same thing 3 times. All right, so we just did the first coat of the clear coat, and look at the difference there. That's the one that we haven't touched yet. It looks so good. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. All right, so the camera's not picking it up great with the lights on, but here's with the lights on. They look so much clearer than the old ones. And on the ground here, you can see that's all the oxidation that we sanded off. So let me turn off the lights here. There we go. Now you can see how big of a difference that makes. That is insane. It looks so much better. We might have done a little bit too much with the 400 grit, like a little too deep and maybe not quite enough water, because it looks a little bit weird in some spots, but this is the first attempt on this as well. So the next side will be even better. But anyways, that'll be all for this video. So I hope you learned something from this video, or at very least enjoyed this video. I'll do the other side at some point on my own, but we are going to do the same thing on the 3000 GT as well, because those lights are pretty bad as well. So we'll have a video on that pretty soon. But for now, if you want to see more videos on this car, is Cooper. If you want to see more videos on this car, you can click right up here or here for some videos about that, and I will see you over there.